So we were just down on the dock a few minutes ago and it was calm and we could hear thunder off in the distance. And I mean literally 10 minutes ago. And as you can see, the storm just kind of came up real quick. It's like it's being preceded by wind. And really strong wind too, like blowing the trees around really good. We'll wait for one to come by. These guys were down there eating with us. You could see our little pile of leftover. That's the bottom of the bag of Rice Krispies. He's still trying to nibble on there. And we set up, we usually do 3 piles if there's 3 of them. 4 if there's, the mallards are hanging out, because the mallards will eat together in peace, but these guys will not. So, but our neighbor just got back in real quick. He was out in his boat and he just came back in real fast. And I thought I'd do a little video because for a second there, right there, it looked like a funnel cloud starting. So I was getting ready for a little twister of sorts. You could hear the thunder off in the distance. If you listen carefully. You can hear the wind. It's a little bit blowing out there. Nothing too insane. Here we go. Here's the one. That big tree's moving around pretty good there. Yeah, I'm going to put this on pause and see. Wait for a big wind. Oh, over there. You can see it. It's like on Lost when the thing was coming through the woods off in the distance. You could see all the trees moving. Or on War of the Worlds, it's kind of like waiting for the attack from space aliens or something like that. It's not too dark on this side, but I thought it was really cool that you could really see the cloud line. A few minutes ago, that cloud line was over us, so it is moving fast. It is definitely windy. It looks like it's raining now, too. It's hard to tell, but it looks like there's some raindrops hitting down there. And these guys, they're out of food, so they're moving down the hill. Bye, guys. Look at that waddle. Look at their butt waddle. That is great. Look at that. It's like they're wearing bloomers. Bloomers. Look at that out there. It's not really raining yet. Not that I can feel. Oh, yep, it is. It's just starting to. I guess that's what makes it a little hazy. It's really hard to see because the wind is blowing so hard, but if you look right there, wow. Oh, it's getting really dark, so that's why this isn't showing up very good. Sorry about the bad video, guys. It's darker in real life than it is on the camera. The camera does an automatic brightness and contrast adjustment, so here you can see the rain coming down in that gap. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's interesting. Up silhouetted against the backdrop there. All right, I'm going to put this on pause, see if we get some more massive winds or if that's already passed. All right, just a few more seconds of the waddle for you. I don't know why they wouldn't stay up here where it's like got a lot of trees to help protect you from the rain. They're going to just go down to the dock and sit in the rain. We'd put some food down there on the path for them too, so they're probably all just sitting down there on the path. Gonna look for the last morsels of food. So, oh, here we go. It's over on this side now. It's a windy one. Rain's not too heavy, but it's windy. That's what I really wanted to show you, is that wind and how the storm was coming in. And for a second there, you could see the two things a minute ago, and there was just one, and it was kind of sticking straight down like you'd get with a funnel. So I was like, oh, I better videotape this. That's it. I guess it's just gonna rain for a while here. Doesn't seem like it's when the wind first kicked up, I should have had it going. It was like really cool, but looks like it's just gonna come in puffs right now because the storm is kind of already over us. You can hear that pretty good. You see it in the trees way over there too. Out there. Those guys are more exposed out there, so they're moving pretty good. And it doesn't really seem to be blowing those trees too much. You see the top end moving a little bit. I would think it was getting hit harder though. I'm gonna put it on pause for a second. Well, definitely the rain is coming down more, but the wind isn't as heavy. This thing's blowing around pretty good. That had flipped up on his dock, but when he came back in with his pontoon boat, he flipped it down again. And those guys are still hanging out down there after a little while. Oh, I just got a severe thunderstorm warning thing show up on my screen from the upstate South Carolina Weather Service. So should have been over an hour ago that they sent that. But look at that. It's only been like 5-10 minutes since I had the camera on, and that is completely gone. And here comes the rain, starting to get heavy above us, I guess. So. Oh, I just saw lightning. Let's listen for that crack. Not hearing the thunder. Must be still off in the distance. There it is. I don't know if you can hear that. So wherever that lightning came from, that was a long ways away. Now the rain is coming down, folks. We got another video on our channel. It's torrential downpour. Probably about 3 or 4 times worse than this. It was just heavy. This is pretty light compared to that one, even though it's a good rain. But hey, thanks for hanging out and watching this video. Got another lightning going on there. Really appreciate it. If you guys dig it, please hit that like and subscribe. We got other storm videos on our channel, but we also have animals and machines at work, travel logs of parks and rivers and lakes and all kinds of fun stuff. So check it out. Check out another video right there. Check out our channel there. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.